Oh. Ay, malalaking ano to? Ano ba yun? Parang gutaw. Ang laki, oh. Ay, ito flowers to siguro, Nana, to, oh. Hmm. Ayan, oh. Ay, ang laki nito pag bumuka. Parang giant flowers to. May mga bulaklak na nga talaga to. Oo, hindi pa bumuka. Ang laki nito. Let's go here. Ay, abo, gid mataging obra, gid mataw. Ang daming mga bulaklak. Ay, mga garden nila dito to eh.
Tingnan mo gano'ng katagal yung ring, oh.
Eh.
This tree is 200 years old.
Oh,
It is start from here as a baby plant. And it grows another body, grows another body, grows another body, another body, another body, another body.
2006,
200.
2000,
So that's why
2025.
you need to look
The
at
age is 200.
200.
65.
See, you 6.
Ah,
imagine
1871 pala.
Yeah, this, you are 6 and this is 200. Because you look after the human beings. For example, if you plant a tree, or Lodo Lola plant a tree, it will be like this. And then it will grow, 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 and it's become a big tree. That's why you need to protect the trees, Laura, because they are very important.
Dad, it's
ang laki.
1 million years ago.
1 million years ago. Yan.
You can know the age of the tree with the ring.
Yeah.
Yes, alam ko nakapunta na tayo. Hello, that is just looking.
Ito pala yung mabangong bulaklak, oh. Ay, Diyos ko, Lord, ang daming bulaklak. Bako din naman ito. Ang dami. Huli ta itong napodel na to. Huli no? Huli na tubo, no? Oh, ang ganda. Ay, nako. Kaya nga may pink, may red. Ang ganda po talaga. Ay, ang ganda. Grabe. Ganda talaga nito to, oh, yung may orange. Oh. Yan. May sa gitna, may orange. Oo. Ay, ang dami. Ay, ang sobrang laking puno. Oh, naku. Ay, ilang years kaya yan? Ay, super laking puno. Siguro mga ano niyan, mga 5 magdipa kayo, hindi mo maano. No? Ayan, no? Ang laki talaga ng puno, oh. Parang ano ka lang to, tilde ka lang eh. Ay, grabing laki ng puno na to.
She's detecting the trees, Lola.
Yes.
Oh,
It's 8. It's just so old.
now there's a dead.
Bow ah.
Oh, 106.
Ah, babe, I see. I see. Oh, 106.
160. How do we do?
So this is the timer, and in a
Start.
moment when it's ready, we'll turn it around. You see how many laps you can do before it runs out.
How many years, be? Kaya nga. Wow. Alin? Oh? Ah. Finish her. Tag matigas.
Let's see.
Wow, 60. 60 years.
Ano naman dito? 60.
Si Laura pala gabigay it ano ah.
Color do you have? Ready? Then we're gonna go. Okay, let's go. If you falls down.
Careful, be careful. Para no down. Careful, be.
This is a race at the end of the day.
Si Laura. Dandahan na. Nalaglag.
A win.
Ah.
So you have to go in the other side.
Careful, be careful.
Finish. I finished.
Los si mama, los.
I told you to do.
Oh my god.
Ah, los si mama. Esther. Sarap tsaka eggs.
Ay, ginaganon-ganon nila, oh.
Ipitin
Ito
lang,
maganda,
oh.
ipit lang.
Ayan oh. Tinalian lang tapos bababa si Laura. Tutusun dito ba si kun maho? Careful.
No, that's actually four. 5, 6, 7,
Donut faster. Careful.
You can do it, girl.
9. That's 11.
Ayos ah. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do.
Invento ka lang pala, eh.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Ayos, ah. Para sobra yung Doremi mo ba?
Bebe. Dito ako mag-start. Oh! Very good. Your house?
Do. Sobra. Ano ba yan? Baldado. Baldado naman ito eh.
Kulang eh. Oh.
What do you have? Let's go underneath. It's an enchanted kingdom. Enchanted enchanted forest Hello. Siguro marami mushroom dito. Let's go to the enchanted forest, Laura. Be careful. This is the enchanted forest. What are we doing here? Oh my God. Laura, be careful. This is where this is where
Wait,
we're gonna hide from the predator. What do you have?
Could feed us if we are lost.
Okay, go girl.
Give us some food, tell us the age, and then put on a show for us.
You have the magic board? Hold on, Laura.
And then we could
We need to...
act like a toilet if you
Oh, it's a magical... Oh, there's a movement. Oh, what's that? Investigate, Laura. Ask your board to investigate. Send your board.
Okay. You, adore me?
My house! My house!
Ay, ang ganda. Pinong-pino doon to. Oh. Ang linis, oh.
Wait, I need something. Mama?
Oh, careful. Gina-search na ko nilang years do puno. Aba, may detector? Ayos ah.
Lakas, tama. What year? What did the board tell you?
Squirrel.
Oh, square.
The board is so clever, isn't it?
Mama, let's go further in.
Oh, but there's mud. It's a quicksand. We're gonna be eaten.
We go up here. I'm small.
We will be eaten by it, Laura.
Oh my God. Grabe nga po na to. Wow, may shortcut nga.
Mama, there's someone.
Sulat na naman siya.